Hello everyone. So many of you have been asking how to file income tax return. So here I will try to make a detailed video including all the steps needed to file income tax return. Okay. So first of all, we need to visit Income Tax India official website. You can either do a simple Google search or you can just type in the web address, which is incometaxindiaefiling.gov.in. On this website, I am assuming you are new to income tax filing. So first you need to register yourself using your PAN card number. Okay. uh, as I am already a user of this website, so I will just log in using my PAN card number. For user ID, you need to use PAN card number, remember this. So I will just fill in the details. For this, you can either go for captcha code or you can request OTP to be delivered to your registered mobile number. Just to keep it simple, I will go for captcha code. After filling all the details, just hit login button. Okay, so this is the dashboard of your account. Just to show you how your filed income tax returns will look like, just click on submit. These are the four income tax returns which I have already filed. This one is the latest, the topmost one. Okay, so for all the four income tax returns, I have always used ITR 1, and I have always filed these income tax returns using ClearTax website, which is much more user friendly than this official website. So this is 100% tried and tested method. Okay, so let's get back to the dashboard. So our main purpose of uh, coming to this website is to view our 26 AS form, which is very important. Okay, so go to my account, click on view form 26 AS. There will be one disclaimer, just click on confirm. You will be redirected to the traces website. Okay, just click on this I agree to the usage and acceptance. Just click on this and hit the proceed button. On the same page, just scroll down and you will see this option, click view tax credit form 26 AS. Just click on this. Okay, so this is the final page, which is the most important part. Here you will see all the details, like how much tax has been deducted by your company, how much amount or salary has been credited to your account by your company. It can be any company like Jag or whatever company you are working for. Okay, so just to show you an example, I will go for assessment year 2017 and 18 when I was new to check. Now what is assessment year? See, assessment year and financial year both are different. Financial year is the year in which you actually make money, in which you actually get the salary. Okay, and assessment year is a year in which you claim for the tax refund which has been deducted from your salary in the financial year. Okay, so those of you who have joined check after March 2020 do not need to worry about tax filing as of now. You need to file your ITR next year after March 2021. Okay, so for those who just want to know how to file ITR, or for those who have joined check before March 2020, this is how it's done. So I have selected the assessment year 2017 and 18. In view as tab, just click on HTML, then hit view download button. Okay, so here all details will be given. This is Think and Learn Private Limited. This was my previous employer. This is Check India Private Limited. Okay, ignore this Think and Learn Private Limited. This is actually Byju's. This is the official name of Byju's. I will just concentrate on Check India Private Limited. Okay, so I just remember that I am assuming here that I worked only for Check India Private Limited in this year. Okay, I am just ignoring this company Think and Learn Private Limited. This means I am assuming that I earned only 760 rupees in 1 year, which was 2016 to 2017. Okay, now coming to this, the name of the company is Check India Private Limited. This is tan of the deductor. This we will need while filing the ITR. This is total amount which has been paid to me, and this is the total tax deducted at the source. Okay, so now we will proceed to income tax filing. For that I will open a new tab and will type in cleartax.in. This is the website address. Okay, here you also need to make an account before you go for e-filing. I have as I am already logged in, I will just go for e-filing. Okay, so this is the latest ITR which I have filed through ClearTax website. This was filed on 16th of June this year, and I have got the refund already. Just to show you how it is done, I will file for another person. So these are the 4 income tax returns which I have filed using ClearTax. I have already showed you on the official website, right? So these are the 4 files. I will just do it again for you. 2020 to 2021 assessment year, or I will just do a fresh filing. Okay, start filing. Now there are 2 options. You can either upload Form 16, then the website will automatically upload all the amount or salaries that has been paid to you, or you can do it manually. As we do not have Form 16 available from Check, we only have Form 16A. Remember, there is a difference between Form 16 and Form 16A. So I'll prefer to go for manual method. Okay, so just click on continue. Okay, so this is the personal information: your name, your last name, gender, date of birth, PAN number, your PAN number. Okay, then your father's name, marital status. Click on save, then next. Okay, it will ask me to fill in. Okay, I will fill it. 29. Okay, then again father's name is also required. Okay, everything is done. Then we can click on save. It will take us to the next step. Here you need to fill address. Okay, I will fill anything. I'm just showing you the steps, and these are just the normal steps. You do not need help in these steps, right? I will fill just anything. Here, fill any. Okay, then after you fill all these details, just click on save. Now this is the important part. So name of the employer, this is the company you are working for. So we are working for Check India. Okay, so I will fill Check India. This is a private company, keep it private. Okay, now what is gross salary? In this first part, 1 bracket A, you have to fill the total amount which has been paid to you by Check, right? So what was that salary? It was 760 rupees or 759 to be precise. And what was the tax deducted? 76 rupees, right? You now do not worry about this 1b and 1c and point 2. Do not worry about these three things. You have to fill this deductions under section 16. So standard deduction comes under TDS. So in this first part, standard deduction under section 16, you have to fill how much tax has been deducted at the source. How much was it? 76 rupees. 76 rupees. Okay. So in the next part, in TDS details, you have to again fill the tax deducted at source, which was 76 rupees. Okay. Now this is tan of the employer. Okay. This what you can find this tan of the employer here. This one, tan of the deductor. Just copy it. Go to ClearText website. Just hit Ctrl+V. Okay. Okay, so this is done. Just we'll have a second look on this page. Okay, everything is fine. Just verify this amount. Okay. Okay, it's good. So if you are working for more than one company, you can save this, then add another salary. But if you are working only for one company, then you can just hit on save and go to the next page. Now these are from other sources. Okay, interest income from saving bank, interest income from deposit, like fixed deposit, post office fixed deposit, right? So this is not a rocket science. If you have an FD and you are getting, like for example, if you have a FD of 50,000 and you are getting an interest of 1,000 rupees, then you have to just fill 1,000 rupees. Okay, that's it. As I do not have any FD, then I will just go to the next step. This is income from house property. I do not have any income from house property. If you do have, then you can just click on here and add house property details. This is just simple self-explanatory things. I do not have to explain these things to you. After all, you all are experts. So income from capital gains, same thing. Income from business and profession. If you have a business, then you can go for this thing. Now this is important. Deductions under section 80. Now investments under section 80C means if we have LIC or term insurance or mutual funds like ELSS mutual funds, those are to save tax. Okay, so if you have any of these, you can always go for this deductions under section 80C. For example, I have a term insurance of 1 crore. For that I am paying an insurance premium of around 1872 rupees per month. So just multiply that by 12 to calculate for the whole year and put that amount in this box. Okay, I will put just random amount. So this is the amount which I am paying for the premium. Okay, and then save and click on next. Then more deductions like medical insurance for you and for your family, just fill in those values. Actually this is beneficial only if we have income of above 5 lakhs. If then only there is benefit of filling in these values. Otherwise there is no benefit, because if you are earning below 5 lakhs, there will be no tax on your salary, but still you have to file for income tax return. Okay, I will just save it and go to next step. Go to next. Okay, just verify all the details which you have filled in. Name of employer, check India, TDS deducted 76, salary income 683. If possible, just verify this step with the Traces website. Okay, then go to next. Next. Okay, this page is also very important. Bank info. Here you need to fill Aadhaar card number. Be very careful. Here you need to fill primary bank account, the bank where you will need to receive your refund. Okay, so be very very careful, extra careful while filling in these three things: bank account number, IFSC code, and name of the bank. Fill in these details, fill in your phone number and all. Click on save. This thing you can just read on this thing. This is uh, these points are not applicable to me, so I'll just go to next. Okay, so this website will automatically tell you how much refund you have. So I have a refund of 80 rupees. They have just rounded off the value 76 to 80 rupees. Okay, these are all the details, gross. Okay, now I cannot click on this, because if I click on this, then the tax will be filed, and I have already filed for 2017 and 18. So just click on this thing and your tax filing is complete. However, there is one more step which is very important. If you do not do that step, then your filing will be incomplete. So after you click on this e-filing button, you will be asked to e-verify your income tax return. Okay, so for e-verifying your income tax return, there are many options. You can either use your registered mobile number to receive OTP and fill that OTP into the specific box, or you can e-verify using your primary bank account using online banking system. This is very easy actually. All these steps will be explained to you. I think I have covered all these steps, which are mostly confusing. So I hope this was helpful to you. So if you have any doubt, just let me know. There should not be any doubt actually. I have explained all the steps. This is just simple. It's just 15 to 20 minutes job maximum. Just make sure you have all the values same, like this total income and taxes paid same as this data on Trace's website. Then you will be good to go. That's it.